Or why did he say we? Something like that. This is a type of horse. It's like the truly only wild horses. Only truly wild horses. They are a bunch of wild horses everywhere. Like really untamed them. They are untamed. Oh, Minfie, I'm sorry. They are untamed. Unless wild horses are different from the ones that you own and ride a horse for the first time. And you'll be like heading to like each area you're going with a horse. You can go each direction you want. Horse riding is so popular. Yeah, I don't believe how you get this too. You get hurt by them. Gosh, what a shame. Gosh, what a shame. Can't do that. Oh, really? Alfred, I thought you ground SpongeBob. We. That's a new crying voice. We. Come on. It's a lot different than we that I was ever going to talk about. But now it's like, enough already now. Breaking is free. Oh, wait, I can't. Not enough seeds were tackled down by that thing. You ground SpongeBob. Why? That's a nice rainforest. Verify those too. Uh-oh. No, no, not again. Why does that have to play like prompt and circumstances every time a character gets grounded? That's for like graduation, something like that, for school. It would be a better fit. Not when the ground scene happens. It'd be better for like, it would be better like graduation, I would say. Sailor Dog. Parents. Emo. Go to your room now. You have to ground him. Are you? Another pet for a parent. Wait a second. I'm gonna go get Caroline and Jennifer to join with me here because they're here to stay more forever. I finally found a friendlier app that is compared to Hello Pet. I finally found something friendlier. SpongeBob. That does make sense. He grounded SpongeBob. Wow, how original of you, dude. Wendy, I may want to take your pack right now, but no, all this costs money. All this costs real money to waste on your Google Play account. So no, I refuse to do it now. I wanna. Wendy. Sorry, not for this too. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Happy when I had to say 0, 0, 2. Oh my god. Yes! 10 full hearts! You see? Thanks for me, like, saving to play this game for next month. And I was meant to install it again. Maybe I was meant to install it again. Good. 59 minutes, not all waste. Or it's just like a restarted stream, I'll say this.
Ready? Go!
Take them down. Will ya? Take them down, will ya? Caroline, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and don't forget to send me a request or some type of quest. Must be appropriate, something like that. It must be appropriate. Oh. Something busy? Anything busy? Yeah, I haven't used his this much in a while too. Vertical. I mean, horizontal. I keep mistaking these things. Sorry. I'm so happy with you, Caroline. Damn. at the road show, and I'm just disappointed you weren't even showing much in March. Like, if me, I would have ever showed you up in March. What next month will do? That's exhausting. I'm out. Oh. Maybe this one gets all wasted. Gone. What happened to the music? Music fits. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oof. Now you can watch this entire time. What? Excuse me, sir, but you weren't moving. Oof. Yeah, you weren't moving. You have to bump into Mario. What a busy blocker you are. Oh no, no joke. Now I feel like... Oh. Oh, no. Mario. Hope he's alright and just avoid any injuries from this too. Oof. I'm gonna go back to crunch time with the same level I'm in. Get my boredom out of these things. Oof. Yeah, get it out. Get it out of my head now. My boredom needs to go. It's just a blast returning. I don't want the blast just going on me right now. Oh, why? It's Lakitu messing up the camera again. Ugh. What happened? This time you guys. It's far away. Make sure you have full screen, then see fully. Oh, cruddy crud. Or that way. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oof. If you're, yeah, if you have good eyesight, something like that. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oof. I love how you zoomed in for that too. What am I doing on a ledge over there? Edge. I'm gonna get you over there. Man, they're busy taking up space. Haha. Oof. Oof. Guess what? It's still the same thing. So where have my fat gone? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Mr. Cameraman just really messed up his camera right now. You see that? Time to go for another... Hey! I was here on that save state. No need to change it, mister. You're rude. Oof. I still care. Motionless. Help. Just... Oh dear. I don't care if I get a pet or not. I mean, like, if I don't get a pair. A pet. Yeah, I don't care if I don't get a pet, something like that. It's in Animal Jam. It is like... Oh, look, it's fair fine. Now, I have to return to the bases. I'm sure you deserve this, Macy. Here. It's your nice little present. Enjoy your goodly gift. Oh boy. Oh, Caroline, look at her. Unbelievable for way her actions. Oh, this is purely unacceptable for her acts. At least she's going, Caroline. At least she's going, Caroline. You see? That bad kitty's gone. Why don't you smile for me, honey? Oh. Don't worry, Caroline. That big bad kitty's gone. I love the description when it says Super Mario 64 DS. Yeah, I guess YouTube did that. Like, really automatically set the catalog into this. Alright.